Hi, ni hao, I'm Chef Tom. Cooking chicken dish. Medium high heat. Preheat the frying pan for a couple minutes. Some vegetable cooking oil. And I got this beautiful chicken. For 5 to 6 ounces of sliced chicken, I marinated with maybe 1-2 teaspoons of the beaten egg white or beaten egg, couple teaspoons of the cornstarch, drizzle sesame oil. Get them a binding, a coating. It's easier to brown the chicken, easier to cook, and not easy to overcook the chicken. And here I have some parsley, green onion, Spanish onion, shitake mushroom, then a quick stir fry, and I let the chicken cook for, probably half a minute. Then I flip. Also, you can call this Mongolian chicken. Did you notice that I add some parsley, fresh parsley? They create a little bit different flavor. It's so good. Now we can break this chicken apart like this. Because they have the binding and the sesame oil, once they get to the hot temperature, they will break apart. Don't worry. You'll find. You start to see the browning, which is good. I'm going to turn the heat a little higher. Ah, beautiful, beautiful. Here I got some room. I have some leftover fried rice. It's a leftover brown rice, I'm sorry. I thought it was fried rice. That is the perfect portion for lunch. A little bit more, but it's okay. I'm hungry. Chicken, nice and tender. This got lots of flavor right here. I kind of like to cook things separately because the temperature will create a good flavor, especially when it comes to protein. If you don't have a high heat or nice heat, it doesn't taste as good. We want a nice and healthy cooking. Onion softened. They got lots of beautiful juice in this vegetable here. Shiitake mushroom gives you enhance a lot of flavor. Alright, now we can season. This is the fun part. Okay, I got this hot sauce. A little bit here, a little bit here. And garlic. A little bit here, a little bit here. Ginger. Fresh ginger. I got all this minced ginger and garlic in my channel. Anything you want, pretty much in my channel. It's a great library channel, see? Like that. Boom, boom, boom. Like that. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, yeah. You know what I'm going to do? Here, I'm just going to have a pinch salt and pepper. Okay? And here, I got some hoisin sauce for chicken. Oyster sauce for chicken. Come on. Soy sauce for chicken, little bit, not much. If you have good heat, you don't need a lot of sodium to cook, It's gonna be so delicious. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up, mix it up, like this. Oh, smell amazing. Once your heat is right, the soy sauce or the sauce in. See, I don't like to season my stuff too early when everything is cold, You want to season it hot. Here, we just got salt, pepper. Look at that. This will be a great recipe for any kind of protein on the side. This rice, still a little cold. Mix it up, mix it up. The rice I just gonna warm it up, you know, because I got great flavor here on the chicken and very natural flavor, good flavor on the onion, saute everything. Ah, like this. Okay. Sesame oil for here. A little bit, you see? I think the color need a little more darker. Soy sauce, a little more. Like that. You see, not much at all. This kind of cooking, you don't require a lot of sauce. Less calorie. But if you want sauce, it's pretty simple. Just add some water, you know, no big deal. Here we go. Oh boy. Okay, we're almost done. We're almost done. 10-15 minutes, you got a great meal. Look at this vegetable. Oh, this is the best part right here. That is the right way to do. Okay, we are done. Put this together right here. Put this together right here. Right here, look beautiful. Okay, take a picture. Send it to your friend. Make them jealous. Alright, it's good. Ready to eat. Turn off the heat. Now, get yourself a nice Asian soup spoon. A pair of chopsticks. How are we gonna eat this? Yeah, little rice. Oh yeah, look at that, huh? Ooh, I love this burning onion. Oh, parsley. Oh, look at this. And some onion. There may be a couple pieces of chicken here. Is that a good bite or what? Wow. The next level of the taste. My goodness. To my friend out there, this is so good. Nice heat pan created a nice flavor of the texture. The food, everything tastes so good. It's so fresh. Mushroom. It's almost like Mongolian barbecue or Korean barbecue is right in front of you. One skillet meal, my friend. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye.